we all have some form of idea. Every one of us has an idea. Every one of us has some knowledge, you know, that is unique to us based on our life experiences that we can share, you know, via a digital product and be able to impact the world. Hello, wonderful people. This is Set to Achieve. Welcome to my channel. Please, if you're new, like the video, share, subscribe, and all that wonderful stuff. So today I wanted to talk about making a living online via digital marketing. Okay? Because we live in a day and age that everybody's online. Everybody and their grandmother is online. And I believe that even if you have a physical shop or store, it is important to have at least one way to make money online with some kind of digital product or something. I think it's very important because we're living in an information age whereby everybody is looking for information. Knowledge is power. We all know that. And that applies to every single aspect of our lives. So if the pandemic has taught us anything, that pandemic, the shutdown, the lockdown has taught us anything, what it has taught us is that at any point in time, or at any moment in time, things can change. Okay? Things can change. You know, and it's important for us to be aware, you know, and also be proficient and be efficient when it comes to being able to make money online. I remember during the pandemic, I was running my hair business, primarily my hair business, you know, professional hair braiding business, and everything shut down. And it was really hard because it was difficult to get clients. Everybody was afraid of getting the virus. Everybody was afraid of, a lot of the shops were closed and everything. And even prior to the pandemic, I had a shop location, kind of like a shop that I was sharing with somebody else for a short time, you know, maybe about 6 months. It was like a 6-month lease, but I ended the lease because it just wasn't working out for me. But you know, during the pandemic, everything was dry. People weren't calling anymore, you know, because like I said, everybody was afraid of, you know, face-to-face contact and having to deal with people, you know, and everything, afraid that they would catch something or whatever. So shops were closed and things like that. So, and it was hard. And I believe it was hard for a lot of people, you know, to make it and everything. But to the glory of God and by God's grace, we all made it. But it definitely taught me something. And that I just had to think of some way, somehow, some method to be able to have an online income, you know. And I feel that affiliate marketing is really one of the best ways, because you are promoting somebody else's product. All you have to work on and focus on is the marketing of the product. Okay, whichever way, whether you have your social media, you have a lot of followers, or you're doing you know, YouTube ads, Google ads, and you know, well, actually I have an opinion on the best type of ads to use for marketing, but that will be in another video. But speaking of having a digital product, I believe that we all have some form of knowledge that we should, that we can share to benefit somebody else. We all have some form of idea. Every one of us has an idea. Every one of us has some knowledge, you know, that is unique to us based on our life experiences that we can share, you know, via a digital product and be able to impact the world. And we can put a price tag on that, you know. We can certainly put a price tag on that. And this is something that I feel definitely with my heart of hearts. I think it's a good start to promote maybe an affiliate marketing, affiliate product that, you know, based on maybe some of our likes. Like, for example, if you are into diet and maybe right now you're doing like an Atkins diet, you can promote like an Atkins product maybe on ClickBank, or, you know, if you're into, you know, maybe oral hygiene and things like that, maybe if there's a product on ClickBank or Digistore 24 or any of those digital marketplaces, you can promote any of those, you know, products that relate to your fitness, you know, working out, or you know, weight loss, or whatever the case may be. And I believe that health, wealth, you know, and fitness relationships are one of the higher ones that are better to promote, because a lot of people are more interested, I guess, in those things. That's a priority. People want to, you know, keep their relationships together. They want to know how to, you know, get a boyfriend or a girlfriend. You know, they want to know how to, you know, stay in good health and you know, lower their blood pressure and have some better muscle tone, or you know, tone their bodies. You know, and people want to make money, you know, and ultimately they want to make money in the easiest way possible, and most importantly, to be location independent, to be time independent. So basically they have their own time to do whatever they feel at any time that they feel. They have the time, they have the location, and, you know, they have the freedom. You know, they're free to travel wherever they feel like traveling. You know, so these are some of the things that a lot of us dream about, you know, and also dream about being able to spend time with loved ones, and being able to, because, you know, I have children, and it is my heart desire to be able to spend more time with my children, to be able to, you know, support them in the best way that I possibly can, and get them, you know, by and be able to provide for them the better things in life. You know, like we all do as parents. As a good parent, that's what you know, you want to be a good provider for your children. So that has, you know, so I'm no different from anybody else. So that being said, I believe that at this opportune time, you know, that it is very, very important for us to start digging into our minds, start digging into our lives, to see what it is that we can promote online, you know, and not just promote, because I mean, a lot of us, we have TikToks, we have Instagrams, we have YouTubes or whatever, but the thing is, how can I promote this course, this program, this product as efficiently as possible, without having to spend all my day, all my time, and to be as productive as possible? So that is the question that we have to ask ourselves. You know, should I spread my time between different platforms, Instagram, TikTok, spend some more time on YouTube to promote the product? Or do I spend my money on ads? Should I spend my money on ads, you know, to draw people to my funnel, you know? And that's another thing. When people are promoting things online, a lot of times they do not know about the best way to go about promoting their products, because a lot of times they just send people to a link and the people browse that link and look at it and say, oh, you know, I don't feel like buying at this time. Maybe I don't have the money right now. I just don't have the urge to buy this product right now. And they don't know about automation, you know, because having some kind of funnel and one that is affordable, especially as someone that is maybe just starting online and is still learning a lot of things, and they don't have a whole bunch of money or capital to invest initially. Having the right kind of funnel, cheaper funnel, to be able to funnel people into their email list, because we all know that email marketing is very, very efficient. People check their emails often, and things like that. So having people be able to be sent information even days after or weeks after they have come to your you know, to your website, you know, on your page, your landing page, you know, being able to put their information in so that later on you can send them back things via newsletter or some kind of just post or whatever. You can just send them information regarding the product, regarding your website, regarding offers that you have, promotions that you have, in order for them to come back, you know, and then put the link in those emails so that they can come back to check out what it is that you have. So you have several ways and several attempts of drawing them back into that link. Okay, so that's why it's called a funnel, because, you know, it's like, think about a funnel. How does a funnel look like? It's wide on the top, you know, and then it's, you know, it's kind of like it narrows down on the bottom. Okay, so it's like, think about that funnel. Your funnel, you know, they're funneled from wherever they came from. Maybe they initially saw you on an ad, or they initially saw you on a Facebook, or they initially saw you on Instagram, or they initially saw you on TikTok, and, you know, they're pulled from that social media site to your link, which funnels them into your email list. Okay, and then which gives you a chance to keep on sending them your offers. You know, you keep on giving them chance, and they said, like, the average person, it takes them about 7 times to see an offer before they can make a educated decision to say, okay, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and buy it. Okay, so it's not a one-time thing. You keep, you know, reaching out to them. Okay, like, remember me, don't forget about me, remember my offer, remember this page, remember me. So you're keep reminding them via your automated process. Okay, I know there are a lot of courses out there, and I've taken some, so I know about this process. You know, I've gotten a training regarding the process and everything, but a lot of them don't really give you the most affordable option. You know, the most affordable option in terms of how you can be able to the most affordable option, you know, in terms of how you can be able to, you know, draw people into your funnel. Okay, you know, so that's important. You know, so I believe definitely, like, social media is important, ads are important, but you just have to have the budget, you have to have the money, you know, and everything. But I believe that having a strong YouTube presence, or at least to create some kind of YouTube channel, is important, because when you have a YouTube channel, you know, and, you know, you're able to post content that makes people understand that you actually know what you're talking about, as opposed to just some random ad. You know what I'm saying? You know, like, they know, like, you have a channel and everything, and you are, you know, even though it's a process, but, like, they're able to see that you know what you're talking about, that you are you know, well informed about, you know, what, you know, should be done, and you know, how it should be, you know, how they should go about it or whatever. And, you know, people will pay for knowledge. People will pay for information because people need that knowledge. So, so I just wanted to just touch bases about making money online, because in this channel, I created this channel to be of help to people, you know, the community, and to be able to do as much as possible to help, you know, those that follow me and, you know, subscribe to my channel, you know, to help them in whichever ways that that are working for me or have worked for me in the past, or are working for me in the present, or and to be able to put that knowledge out there, just, you know, because we're all in this together. You know, it's all a fight to you know, to be, you know, to be better and to do better. Okay, so again, if you're new to my channel, like, subscribe, share the content, and remain blessed till next time.